The Garvin 1,550-acre ranch is an exceptionally productive combination ranch and has a stocking rate of 400 plus pairs. It has county road access at 2 points and an additional easement if you wanted to subdivide the property and have 3 different access points. The ranch sits in 2 locations with 1,285 acres at the primary location and 265 acres at the second location, approximately 4 miles from the main body of the ranch. The 1,285 acres sports a large set of steel working pens with barns, sorting pens, and traps. There is electricity and water at the headquarters. With at least 15 pastures, you have the option to rotate the livestock. Fencing is good to very good condition. The pastures have access to water either by ponds or streams, and the forage is primarily Bermuda Grass, Fescue, Lespedeza, Bahia, and native grasses. Large hardwoods provide shade for the cattle and cover for the wildlife. The property has some frontage on Little River, and there may be some harvestable timber. The 265 acres is sectioned into 5 pastures and has 5 nice ponds and is about 95% open pasture. It also has electricity, a well, barn, small set of existing pens, and the cellar has a larger set of working pens, about 60 to 70% completed. At a stocking rate of 400 pairs, this ranch is priced well under most ranches in the area. Call today.